Little mommy.
Alright. Good afternoon, guys. We're here right now. Of course, in Fenty area. Just afternoon drive. It's been a while since we had an afternoon drive. Most of our drives, diba, buntag. So now we have an afternoon drive. So we're gonna check out the traffic, you know, in Cebu City. But normally we're just gonna go to Senyor Boulevard, via Senyor Boulevard, going to Plaza Independencia and Santo Niño, since it's almost Sinulog time. So we're just gonna visit, we're gonna pass by, you know, the Basilica area, because supposedly kuan nanta ni ron, mag Novena na ta na ron. But pero due to the pandemic, so dili walay kuan kaayo. There's no fanfare, but it doesn't mean we won't, you know, call on or pray to Santo Niño. But na tong kuan, walay party. There's no, you know, it's a festive season supposed to be in Cebu, but due to the threat of, you know, we just had Odette plus the threat of Omicron, so medyo kuan lang, we have to kuan, the events that will have, you know, a lot of people, like procession, will not happen this year. So sabot lang ta, but yeah, you know, we keep on praying na hopefully by 2023 kung ana, mabalik na ang Sinulog, mabalik ng mga tao, mabalik ng mga turista, mabalik na ang kasadya sa panahon, no? So in the past nga ni mga bantings diri unta, you know, for some Sinulog pesta ba yan, that's the feast, you know, for Cebu. It's not Cebu City na, but it's not the city only that celebrates, you know, but it's like the whole province, the whole, you know, Cebu. Many of the contingents as well are from sa probinsya. Some of the best contingents are from the province. Yeah. Like mga Karkar, mga Juan. So daghan sad of course mga sa city base, plus out of towners. So kuan gyud ta na. Kanina daan puno kini kada Sinulog, pag Sinulog. Kuan ni dire. It's like kuan ni dire kaning mao ni ang main parade route. So diri mo agi ang parade padong sa Villana para manayaw dito sa ilang grand presentation. But karon it looks like this year. It looks like maninaw. I think we done these similar drives before, but ikuan na ako lang. Pakita na to ni na drive na, you know, karon maninaw niya January 7. So yeah, supposedly mga Novena na lagi yung tana. That's practically like 10 days or 9 days before the Sinulog na. 10 days po. 9 days kay 16. So mana walay Sinulog, but you know, we always remember every third Sunday sa Cebu, that's for Santo Niño. Hi sa mga deboto di sa Manila, sa Nazareno, mga kuan sa na, one of the, so na mga totally cancel ng tawag na, but it's, you know, it's different. It's ikuan lang, i-cancel ang katong tapok factor, or the procession or the crowd, you know, all those events that will be, you know, draw a lot of crowd, no, i-prevent lang na anina na panahon. So wala na ang kuan nato na musabot lang ta na, hey, it's a kuan ng Omicron, so we have to understand the situation. So by the way, one of the major events for this Sinulog time is the motorcade na lang where they will bring Santo Niño from Cordoba, Lapu-Lapu, Cordoba, and they will for the first time cross the CC Lex. So okay na mo, labang na sa una fluvial man ta, di ba na barko mo labang man karon. It's gonna be a motorcade na labang kuan Santo Niño using the Cebu Cordoba Lek Expressway, di ba? So what's that? It's something different. And finally, for the first time, madry run na malabangan na ang CCLX. So it should hopefully open in a couple of months at by April. Basta before elections, ma-pre na ng CCLX. It's gonna be like one of the major achievements sa panahon ni Duterte, and one of the major completions, let's say, when it comes to infrastructure in Cebu. So now, yeah, we're almost in Colon. So makakita ka na, hinahinay nag-decorate ang metro. Doon mo ng etro because of Odette, I think. Doon mo ng etro ang iyang signboard. And daghan kay ana, one of the daghan kay places na signboards, glass windows muna, because ang building code ko no more or less 200 kilometers per hour ang kuan sa glass ka strong, but you know kung gust over that, like kung ako tong sa Odette more or less mga 300 dito sa uban guba gyud, maybe usbo na ng building code as well. So finally it's our turn, kuan na labang na ta. Yeah, I think aning uban rin wag function ng traffic light, so lang ta, pasensyahay lang ta, but I think salamat sa dos mga traffic enforcers na kugihan kayo sa init uwan na diri to man the traffic o naman na Viva Pit Senyor diri sa metro. I guess I don't know, basig traffic na diri kay ang uban padung na dito sa Santo Niño. We'll see. So yeah, so this is Osmeña Boulevard. So the downtown, so this is like when 80s or 70s, 80s, even early 90s, this is like mga busiest areas of Cebu. Kumuni ang syudad, because dito sa ubos na uptown, which is gatong Mango Avenue, there's Fuente Lapid, dili gyud to hingani Bibo gito dire, pas Bibo gito dire, but you know eventually the malls open like SM, Ayala, so lahi na plus puho pagkuan na mga IT park where it's like their business district na where the offices are located, mga call centers. So lahi na ang kuan sa una mga trading companies na dire, pero karon kuan na di na siya as kuan, pero basic hapon eh. Pero sa una yun mo niya syudad na syudad way back in the past. Pero why, I don't know, katong mga na Cebu in the 80s, hinumdo pa ni mga commercial ng Happy Mart, Tiban og Sigulyat, mo ni among H&M, Happy Mart, H&M before. Pero di na kuan karon lain na wa na kayo nagyapoy mangumpra sa Happy Mart, pero di na sila mag even sa kuan mas bibo na mangumpra mga tao sa kuan mga mall na sa kumulusot lang ko para makita na tong action dapit sa Santo Niño, because it's gonna be Sinulog pa doon na to Pista Senyor. I think di na suglan ng daan mo ni traffic na kaya na natin sa misa. So I don't know, masago ka ko ana ni di ko sigurado ko. Yeah, at least we'll see mao na ni status diri sa dalan. I don't know, they put up barricades, so we're forced to turn to Magallanes. So at least makita na to ang road conditions, di ba? Daghan naman ng unikuan. traffic na ni. So diri na talang tao manghunong na. So sige. Sa kani. Ito. Traffic na nun kaayo, pero sige lang na naman ta dire. So para dire nakutob ang mga sakyanan. So mo turn right ta dire. Going to Magellan's Cross, pero I don't know kung basig mabalik na sa ni sa agi due to the traffic. Pero ana, rebas carbon may padung. Padung timis carbon i-divert. But yeah. Now dire. That's CC-Lex by the way karon. There, CC-Lex. So I don't know, trap me dire, but bahala na. Cause so na, kasabot na lang ta. So na, dire ta. Agi, I don't know, asa may padong, but either way, si mabalik kami sa Agi or mapadayon. Na mo. But most likely mapadayon lang mi. Going straight to Carbon. Na hinay sa ni sila. But yeah, sabot lang kita. We didn't know because it's supposed to be Novena na. So I think daghan ng tao mga nanganhi. So I don't know kung naka-attend sila sa mass, but most likely naka-attend sila. Garon lisod lang kay pangitag parking, so matin traffic. So pasin nadungan pa kita na nahuman ang usa ka misa. So before it's almost like hourly there's a mass. Schedule, it's like hour kapin intervals, hour and 30 minutes, but there are several masses every day. Karon I think, I don't know kung ang online masses will be as frequent, but yeah, kita nata dire. So I think it's close pa dong sa Magellan's Cross. So padayon lang ta, abanti ta. The traffic, but you know, so masyaka, pero I don't know kung sa lagi ilang policies when it comes to crowd, because that's the scariest part. Because kung magtapok ba, especially during the season, it's in a way it's gonna be scary. Pwede na ta mo right turn, mabalik ta sa Agi, but yeah, pwede ta mo diretso. Para na kung mas dali unta kung mo diri makadiretso may. But mabalik na lang din sa Agi. Para tungod ana. So, let's go. Balik ni sa Agi because money traffic dire dapita padung Santo Niño o padung Magallanes. So anta sinabtanay na lang ta. So this is how it looks like here padung Carbon na. But yeah, balik ta sa Agi para di ta ma-appeal sa sa huot dire. But yeah, this is how it looks like right now. First day of the Novena. Traffic was quite, you know, super heavy. But I don't know, asa may agi ani ron, but sige lang. You won't worry so much. Okay. So kuro ta magpaanod lang ta sa baha. Diba? Go with the flow. So at least we'll see some streets that we haven't been we haven't passed by for quite a while. But yeah, ngani kahuot karon. So some of the oldest streets here in Cebu. So we're in Magallanes, named after Magallanes, Ferdinand Magellan. That's his name. I think in Portuguese it's Magallanes. Spanish it's Magellan, I think. So So mga nga masyak tala in line man din like name. So lain language no, like si Columbus it's Colon, si Magellan it's Magallanes. Those are the legendary explorers. Explorers that explore sa kuan. Mga kuan silbi. Before Naidora na si Ferdinand the Explorer or Christopher the Explorer. Eh, what else? Kakagi. Lusot. There, lusot. So, unsa naman ni? Kung di min niyo balutson, lutsa mi. Balutsa town. Lusar ako. Oh, wow, lusot kayo lusot. Bye, but nakalusot na ta. Thank you so much. Pero wala. Buot yung dalan. Yeah, it's like sinulog na tayo. So, kasabot na ta. So, sige na lang. Kay mauna ang naong sa syudad. Pero, sige. Laban lang ta. Diba? So, maraming na trap diri sa syudad. But yes, this is how's the traffic here in Cebu. So wala. So we're gonna end the video very soon. Para lang kuha na lang ninyo. Speed Senyor na lang ta. And I hope you have a wonderful week ahead. Hopefully kuha lang. Hopefully makalusot na miyani. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. And this is Carlo Mano signing out from downtown Cebu, So sa mga old timer diha, downtown Cebu, 100 ang kilo sa grapes dire. Wow. Diba? Fighter. Basta na wala nilihok ang daan. So I have to go, guys, and let's keep the faith lang, kuan lang. And let's pray together lang yun na dili katag ang Omicron as or not as kuan ba katag man lang. Hopefully it's really kuan will just really help the situation instead of making it worse. So mana, pero stay safe, guys. Ay palabig kuan alang palabi kuan lang ta padayon sa biyahe. Okay, I have to see you na sa adpohon sa sunod na itong mga drive ug biyahe. And salamat sa suporta, and see you na sa adpohon sa next na to na mga suroy. Bye.